Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up TiviMate using Downloader. If you face any login issues or need the playlist format, message me on WhatsApp.
Open the Downloader app and tap the URL field. Type 250931, then press Go. Now scroll down, you'll see TiviMate app. Click on Download app. Will be installed. When the APK downloads, tap Install and wait for installation to finish.
Then open the TiviMate. Now select Add Playlist, then select Extreme Codes. Input the server address, username, and password provided to you. Then press Next. After a successful login, the app will show its dashboard or menu. This video demonstrates only the setup steps, not content playback. If you need help with the playlist format or login details, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.